While cryptocurrency is currently enjoying a nice bounce, if we look back over the years, you can see that the volatility of the new and unproven technocurrency is not yet considered a diversified class. Many market observers are signaling the fall of cryptocurrency and promoting the security of precious metals like gold. As a result, people are gravitating toward gold as a safe haven. The World Gold Council supports this strategy, making the argument that highly speculative and volatile cryptocurrency is not a safe haven. From August 2018 to the end of January 2019, the price of Bitcoin dropped almost 55%. Meanwhile, the price of gold was up more than 6% through that same period. By January 2019, about $400 billion in value had already been erased from the cryptocurrency market over the past 12 months. In short, as global stock markets were reeling, the perceived ability of cryptocurrency to serve as a store of value in times of market stress did not hold, whereas gold rallied. Asset holders appear to be getting the message that cryptocurrency is not the store of value that gold has proven to be, as gold is trading near all-time highs. In fact, the price of gold moved to over $2,000 an ounce in 2020 and has the potential to go even higher. This potential is underscored by the fact that central banks around the world continue to turn to gold as a store of wealth. Going forward, gold will be supported primarily by growing demand for defensive assets. Many analysts are foretelling it's not the year for cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin. In light of the poor performance of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, Goldman Sachs' observation that despite the hype, cryptocurrency is not the new gold still holds very true today. The use of precious metals is not a historical accident. They are still the best long-term store of value out of the known elements. Asset holders shouldn't rush to substitute the yellow metal for the digital currency, particularly if they're confused by cryptocurrency compared to the easy-to-grasp nature of physical gold. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about gold and how it can help strengthen your wealth portfolio. Click the link in the description to download your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important information on how you can benefit from the power of precious metals.